What's going on, guys? Welcome to Gabe Trades, and today we're going to talk about candlestick patterns. Ah, yes, the ancient art of reading little colored rectangles and pretending you're a goddamn market psychic. You ever see a guy stare at a chart like he's decoding the fucking Da Vinci Code? Oh, look, it's a hammer. No, wait, it's a shooting star. It's worse. It's my portfolio getting wrecked again. Now, let me ask you something. How the hell is a doji supposed to tell you what the S&P is going to do next? It's a fucking T-shape, not a prophecy. But Gabe, it shows indecision. Yeah, so does my ex's dating history, but I don't trade off of that either. Now, let me show you a very simple way of reading the S&P. Fuck candles. We want trend and we want confirmation. We have a trade design down here, guys. What we're waiting for, once we're alerted of this trade or possible trade, we're waiting for confluence. We're waiting for the candle to break below VWAP, break to the other side of this. This is called our GT500, found exclusively at trade1348.com. And then we have confluence of this band, and this band is an averaging of price, right? Using a proprietary averaging method. Now we look at trend tracker. Trend tracker gives us confluence here as well. Again, red, below VWAP, red. Everything's red here. And then we reference the multi-time frame STB, which tells us it's also bearish. So this trade, how much would it have made you? Well, we break below VWAP, you go down 13 points. 2 ES contracts make you a quick $1,000. Now the system's going to print your levels. It's going to print your trade design. As you can see here, a alert just popped up letting us know what's going on with NQ. So let me go ahead and check out NQ quickly. NQ doing more of the same thing. It's letting me know that there was a reversal of fortune. We got yellow candles here. Caution, right? The previous trade was a trade to the upside that failed. Why? Because we traded into VWAP, traded into resistance. Now there's a whole course study behind this, found only at trade1348.com, which makes all of this super simple. You got bullish engulfings, bearish engulfings, dragonfly dojis, gravestone dojis. Sounds more like Pokemon evolutions than trading strategies. What are you gonna do next? Summon Charizard to fight Jerome Powell? These patterns are like horoscopes for finance pros. Ooh, a morning star. That means the market's gonna go up. No, what it means is you found 3 candles that kind of resemble a picture you saw in a book written by a guy who hasn't traded since dial-up internet. Talking to you, ICT. You know what candlesticks don't tell you? Context, volume, trend, sentiment, macro. You know, all the actual shit that moves price, but nah. Let's just buy because 3 candles lined up like they're in a boy band reunion tour. You're out here trading reversals based on a fucking handyman? You know what hangs, pal? Your P&L when you treat a candle like gospel and ignore the trend that's been rolling like a freight train for 6 hours. It's pattern masturbation. It feels smart, looks technical, but in the end, it's just noise dressed up as an ancient samurai cosplay. Now let's talk about why this bullshit won't die. It won't die. It sells courses, ebooks, Discord memberships. Learn the top 10 candlestick patterns that the institutions use. Yeah, you ever seen Goldman Sachs waiting for a fucking spinning top to take $1 billion position? Didn't think so. They don't care about your tweezer bottoms or inside bars. They care about liquidity, momentum, who's trapped, not whether your chart looks like a Sudoku puzzle drawn by a monk on acid. So do candlestick patterns work? Sometimes. Just like a broken clock works twice a day and your uncle wins a scratch-off once a year. You want real edge? Learn structure, learn confluence, learn risk management. And for fuck's sake, stop hoping a green candle with a shadow means divine intervention is coming to fix your bad trade. Check out trade1348.com. 2 weeks absolutely free. Subscribe and tune into the live streams. I'll show you what bands at confluence and VWAPs and EMAs look like to help you become profitable traders alongside thousands of other traders that already follow the 1348 way. Now, candlesticks tell a story, sure, but you better know the whole damn plot before you bet the house on a 3-bar bedtime tale. Now smash that like button, or let's a doji, then wait for confirmation. This is Gabe. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm signing out. Peace.